Hello out there. This is the 60-second sweep activity. It's our transition from multiplication into the next algorithm, the next subject, which is division, but a brief pause in the middle because this is one of the best drills I've ever seen to help young mathematicians with their number sense and to visualize factoring numbers, among many other things. And I think it's just fun. So, what I want you to do is with some grid paper, I want you to take each of these numbers from 4 to 30, as I've done here. Take 4 to 30, and in green, write the numbers, right? So this is the product. And then these are the factors. These are the multipliers. 2 times a number is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times a number is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And so go all the way through. As I said in the live stream, you're going to get to, excuse me, you're going to get to Z, and then you're going to need to start over because we still have more numbers. So once you get to 40, that looks like it should be Z. This will be lowercase a. This will be lowercase b, etc. So that's the main thing. I'm going to obviously leave a photo of that. I also will be sending home copies of this, and I'll be showing you a video of how to do that independent of this. So yeah, I'll just keep going with this. My next number after 54. Oh, I still have to finish these actually. So 6 times a number is 48. And I had written, I don't know if you can see that, I wrote 6 times 8 is 48, but I'm not supposed to write the 8 there. I'm supposed to write the letter D, right? Because these are all variables. It's just a letter standing for a mystery number. So think of it like a mystery number. 7 times a mystery number is 49. 7 times E, right? And then lastly, C. Oh, for goodness sake, I did it again. All right. B is 9. This is my favorite mistake. I've actually made 2 of those in that spot. So this would actually be 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times C is 48. 7 times D, can hide that a little better. 7 times D, which is 7, is 49. 6 times a number is 54, and that number is 9, and the mystery is E. All right, my variable is E. Now here's the reason I'm doing the bold and the thin. The reason I'm doing the bold and the thin lines are I want to ease students into division because a lot of students get flustered with this. What does that mean? Well, that means you have a number, 56, and you're gonna do a number divided by something is something else. And a lot of us who grew up in before the 2000s, the 80s, the 70s, the 90s, maybe even the 2000s, you just jumped right into that's the dividend. There's a divisor out here, and that's going to be 7. 7 times 8 is 56, and I was using blue. So 7 times 8 is 56, but I'm not going to say 8. I'm going to do a variable. I've already done E, F, G, H. So 6 times 9, which is E. 6 times E is 54. 7 times a number is 56, and that number is 8. And then so just, it's a box. It's not a division thing. It's a box. Blah, blah, blah. Next is going to be, after 56, is 63, 64, 72, 81. So all of these are some very highly used. We use these numbers a lot in our day-to-day life. We don't do long division in our day-to-day life as adults. At least I don't. But we do, say if I have, what's something I might have? I might have 24 of something. If I have 24 of something, I can, have 4 groups of 6. If I have 24 of something, I could have 3 groups of 8. So, yeah, it's really important for you to become familiar with these numbers and what you can do with them. All right, so back to this. The main thing is just remember you've got 7 times a number is 63. 8 times a number is 64. If I have 72, 8 times a number is 72. And then lastly, 9 times a number is 81. And maybe you figured out what those numbers are. If so, awesome. If not, that's A-okay. Plenty of time to work on this. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9, so my code is G. 8 times 8 is 64, is my H. 8 times a number is 72, and that number is this. And so is this number, H-I-J. That is also 9. So here's how you can use this. Okay, we're not gonna use this for a little bit, but the way you can use this is you can fold. Oh, that came out just right. You can fold the orange answer key and look at this. And you can say divided by, or you can say times, whatever you want to say. So here I quiz myself and say 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9, and just jump around. 3 times 9 is 27. Or you can say 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 3 is 6, etc. So go around and practice that. And if you get stuck, these were the ones as a 4th grader, these gave me problems. Everything in this area, 56, that number just didn't make sense as 7 times 8 for some reason, but it is. 7 times 8 is 56. So go ahead and practice these, and I would say, what is F? Oh, F is 8. Flash. It's similar to flashcards, but not. Okay, so this is the week 18 activity, the paper activity. I'd like for you to keep this. Keep it all of this week, I decided. Keep it all of this week. I would like you to turn it in next Wednesday. Not the Wednesday of the week 20. Okay? So this Wednesday, you'll be turning in all of your if you haven't yet, all of your Unit 2. All of your Unit 2 problems. You're going to turn all of this in. Oh, yeah. This is what you'll turn in. Okay, so that's this. Again, you'll become hopefully very familiar and comfortable with this later. But that's it. Finished product. Technically, there. That's the finished product. All right. Thanks, everyone.